Home Remedies presents
10 reasons I use castor oil on my face overnight. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there was a single pure oil that could keep your skin moisturized, clean, glowing and acne-free? Over the past 10 years, castor oil has trumped every other oil I have used on my face, body and even my hair. Organic, cold-pressed and hexane-free castor oil works best when you only use tiny amounts of it. Castor oil is thought to increase absorption in the skin and are sometimes used in the treatment of various skin conditions. Almost 90% of its fatty acid content is a rare, dense, and concentrated compound called ricinoleic acid. Here are 10 good reasons to rub a few drops of castor oil on your face before sleeping. It prevents the growth of viruses, bacteria, yeast, molds. It reduces skin inflammation. It heals acne. It hydrates and moisturizes the skin and prevents wrinkles. It helps thicken your eyelashes and eyebrows. It reduces itching and swelling. It relieves sunburns. It repairs skin discoloration. It treats skin allergies and rashes. It relieves pain. How to apply? Wash your face with warm water to open up your facial pores and apply castor oil gently on your face and massage in circular motions. Castor oil's consistency is quite thick and it's easier to mix it with a carrier oil to help you massage it in circular motion well into your skin. You can use carrier oils such as almond oil, coconut oil and olive oil. Leave the castor oil on your face overnight and rinse in the morning for best results.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.